Journal entries for correcting suspense account. A company's trial balance failed to agree, the out-of-balance difference of $6,250 being posted to a suspense account. Subsequent investigation revealed the difference was due to one side of an entry to record the purchase of machinery for $6,250 by check, failing to post to the plant and machinery account. Make journal entries to correct the error. Answer: wrong entry, suspense account. Debit suspense account, $6,250. Credit bank, $6,250. Adjusting entry. Debit plan and machinery, $6,250. Credit suspense account, $6,250.